I know I'm not the only one. As I age, something's changing in me. Nighttime driving in the rain ain't as easy as it used to be. Headlights shining, blinding my eyes, white lines fading in and out. Used to ride like I owned that road. Now I slow it down, full of doubt. But it hit me deeper than that one night. This ain't just about my side. Cause the rain, the lines, and the blinding lights ain't just roads I'm driving through at night. They reflections of a changing life, showing me what I can't deny. Yeah, my driving ain't the only thing. The time done came through and rearranged those lines in the rain. They speak my name. My steps ain't as long as they used to be. I don't move quite like before. Sometimes I catch myself slouching down. Gotta stand up straight once more. People I love, they disappear. Some moved on, some gone for real. And every now and then them tears fall down like that rain on my windshield. Every drop got a memory inside. Every street got a reason I cry. Cause the rain, the lines, and the blinding lights ain't just roads I'm driving through at night. They reflections of a changing life, showing me what I can't deny. My driving ain't the only thing. The time that came through and rearranged those lines in the rain. They speak my name. I used to measure life in miles ahead. Now I measure it in what's been said, and who still calls and who don't care. In empty seats that once were there, but I'm still here. Yeah, I'm still strong, just learning how to carry on. Yeah. Ain't just a road getting harder to see. It's life. It's loss. It's me.